श्रीमते रामानुजाय नमः। श्रीमते निगमान्त महादेशिकाय नमः. With Kodai Nachiyar's Anugraham, we are entering into the 6th day of Margazhi. Let us chant the Pasuram first. புள்ளும் சிலம்பினகான் புள்ளரையன் கோயில் வெள்ளை விழிசங்கின் பேரரவம் கேட்டிலையோ பிள்ளாய் எழுந்திராய் பேய் முலை நஞ்சுண்டு கள்ளச்சகடம் கலக்கழிய காலோச்சி வெள்ளத்தரவில் துயிலமர்ந்த வித்தினை உள்ளத்துக் கொண்டு முனிவர்களும் யோகிகளும் மெல்ல எழுந்து அரியென்ற பேரரவம் உள்ளம் புகுந்து குளிர்ந்தேலோர் எம்பாவாய். From this Pasuram onwards, till Pasuram number 15, Andal tries to wake up some of her friends. Each one of them has a unique type, style and character. In this Pasuram, Andal tries to wake up her friend who has newly experienced Bhagavat Anubhavam. She mentions 3 signs to say that it is time to wake up and go to the temple. Number 1. Birds have woken up and started chirping. Number 2. Can you not hear the loud sounds of white conches from all Vishnu temples? Number 3. All other Bhagavatas have woken up and are chanting the name of Hari loudly and without inhibition. Andal also recollects the story of Putana and Chakatasuran in order to scare her friend into waking up. This Pasuram is not just about waking up a friend. A deep dive into its words is necessary to appreciate how Andal guides us to Perumal himself. While the previous Pasuram showed us the nuances of the 3 types of yoga, this Pasuram elaborates on some important practices that we should adopt regardless of the type of yoga we choose to follow. Through the words Pullum Silambinan, Andal tells us to wake up in Brahma Muhurtam, that is, between 4 a.m. and 5:30 a.m. to the sound of the birds chirping. This is Karma Yoga. Number 2. Ullattu Kondu, says Andal. She asks us to think about Perumal's Kalyana Gunas as soon as we get up. This is Jnana Yoga. Number 3. Ariyendra Peraravam means chanting Yemperuman's name Harir Hari without inhibition 7 times on waking up. This is Bhakti Yoga. Modern day science also reconfirms that these practices are beneficial to our mind and body in the long term. The phrase Mella எழுந்து means to wake up slowly. In fact, there is a very deep philosophy highlighted here. When Prahlada was pushed down from the mountain, he did not try to protect himself from harm. Instead, he was holding both his hands to his chest. When asked why he was holding his heart, Prahlada replied, I was meditating on Perumal and he came to reside in my heart. I did not want Perumal to be disturbed. This should be the emotion we should have when we get up. When we go to sleep at night, our last thought should be of Perumal. Naturally, he will enter our heart and sleep there. So, when we get up, we should not wake up suddenly and disturb Perumal, who is still resting in our hearts. This emotion is the best example of Bhakti Yoga. Thus, this Pasuram brings out all three yogas, Karma, Bhakti and Jnana Yoga. Andal Tiruvadigalai Saranam.